Hello friends, welcome to our channel Algologic. In today's class, I will teach you how to create a trading strategy using charting software. If you are new to trading, don't worry. I will explain everything step by step just like I am teaching in a classroom. Today, we will learn two things. One, how to make the strategy. Second, how to take those strategy calls directly to our trading account. That means automate our trading strategy into the live trading calls in a डीमैट account. तो पहले हमको चाहिए क्या है, पहले हमको चार्टिंग का लॉगिन चाहिए. तो हम सभी लोग chartink.com पर क्लिक करेंगे. आप उसमें रजिस्टर हो जाइए. रजिस्टर होने के बाद में हम ये स्क्रीनर पर जाते हैं जहाँ पर हम अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी को बनाएंगे. दैट मीन्स वी विल क्रिएट आवर ओन स्ट्रैटेजी. Basically today we'll learn how to make the strategy. It can be very simple strategy, it can be complex strategy, it can be a combination of many indicators. So today we will learn very basic how to make a simple strategy. So let's see. Now question always comes that I don't know about anything about intraday chart, I don't know about candlesticks, I don't know about indicators, and I don't know how to understand those candles. So don't worry, you don't have to worry about anything. Charting is also having its very lovely AI feature where you can always make your beautiful strategy just by clicking in the English words. That means if you write your English words, then also it can understand how you can create your strategy. So I will go to this create strategy. Here you will get this kind of dashboard. That means now here it will show you, you can add your plus sign, you can add the filters and xyz. Now that sounds very complicated. So what we will do, we will use the feature of AI. Now we know that any reel we play or anytime we study or we google it, now right now everything is like based on AI. That means AI is the form where everything, any task you will try to do, you will get the easiest way, easiest solution with the help of AI. So like this, charting also has given you a AI feature where you just write what you want to do and it will make corresponding code for you. So let's try to do that one. So I will write, I want to buy any stock when its close crosses above daily VWAP. Now what does it mean? हम लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें जब सीखेंगे, हम आपको यहाँ पर धीरे धीरे करके स्ट्रैटेजीज बिल्डअप, चार्ट का समझना, कैंडल स्टिक पैटर्न को समझना, सब समझाएंगे. अभी हम ये केवल स्ट्रैटेजी बना रहे हैं कि अगर मेरा कोई भी कैंडल है वो अगर वीवैप के ऊपर है तो मुझे वो सारे के सारे कॉल्स बन के यहाँ दिख जाएं. और वो कैसे आएंगे, तो मैंने इसको यहाँ जनरेट किया. लेट्स सी व्हाट इट डज. वाओ. So now you can see it has already made its scanner here that daily close greater than VWAP one day ago, this and this thing. Okay, now in case if I'll say okay, very nice, I'll say I want intraday system. Now let's see, generate. I'll say replace, generate. So now you can see here, so it has changed its complete process or the formulas based on the intraday setup. That means now 0 -1 0 -1, you can see that means now it is telling you that I would be doing it intraday setup only. Now the thing is, I want, that means our final strategy is made by the charting. You can see, oh god, there are so many calls, approximately 112 calls, stocks it has selected or it has searched, and it has given you all these scripts in front of your dashboard. Now what you will do, usually we want that every single stock we go, we see the chart, and then we'll decide when to buy, when not to buy. So we will simplify that also for you. Let's say I don't want cache, I want to limit my calls. So I will go here, click this cache. You can, again I will show you, I'll go to this cache section. I'll just put, and I will, this is a filtration I am trying to do. I'll just put nifty 50. That means please scan the scripts only from top nifty 50 companies only. So I will just run again, and you can see, yeah, it has given me only two scripts. Now imagine if I will give nifty 200 or 100, it will give you little more scripts. Yes, it is start giving me 5 scripts. So okay, fine. So that means I am getting the number of scripts, or I am getting the scripts which are good and which are actually fulfilling these requirement of VWAP. Now what I will do, this is the task of charting. That means okay, fine, I have learned how to make the strategy using the charting, and I can use the charting AI feature, and I have got the code, and it is scanning the system and giving me the limited amount of scripts. Now I want, the beautiful thing is, I want that this particular call, when my charting search and gives me, it should also be get converted into a live call, and it should go to my trading account. That means now I will take you to the Algologic dashboard. That means the software which will help you how this scanner what you have made in the charting, it will convert this into a live call with the target and a SL, and it will show you in this dashboard. Right now you can see this dashboard is empty, you don't see any call here. That means right now we have not enabled anything. That means we have not made any changes or setting. I will teach you how you will use this particular thing, so that charting calls will come here. All these charting calls, or few calls from this charting will come here, and it will show in this dashboard. Our step number 3 will be, when these calls will come here, it will directly go to your Angel One account. So I will show you step by step. So let's make certain changes here. Let me save this. So once I have made this strategy of mine, let me save this scan. So I will save this scan, and I will give some name to this scanner. Say for example, I will give VWAP underscore by underscore MIS. Now why I am giving this will also I explain you. I will give certain, because I need to remember that what I want to do. So I am using this VWAP as an indicator. So I am just giving this VWAP so that I will remember that this is my VWAP indicator or my VWAP strategy. Now I want to tell you, I want to tell the system that it is the buy call. Anytime this kind of scan happens, it should give me a buy call in the MIS format. That means intraday format only. So I will just write some description here: intraday VWAP setup. Okay, now scan category, I can skip it. I'll make it this as a private, and I'll just submit it. So once I'll do a submit, I will see that where it is going, it will be going to somewhere to save this thing. So we will check that one also subsequently. Now the task, our 2 tasks has been done. First is, I'll repeat again what we have done. We have generated the AI code. That means we have generated the charting code with the help of this AI, which is giving us a magic filters, and we have got a VWAP strategy here, which is showing the number of scripts. Then what we have done, we have just saved our this scanner with certain name. We have also given it some name. Now after doing that, I will go to step number 3, which is like create alert. What I will do here, I will click on create alert, and now you can see whatever name we have given, it is showing here, alert for VWAP underscore by and MIS. Now this means, now this gonna give the instruction to my software here dashboard that what it's supposed to do. So I will say okay, check for every minute, and you should keep on doing it until unless the market is closed. I don't want on email, I want on a desktop. I want only unique thing. That means anytime if it is repeating info or Bajaj, every time the Bajaj Finserv is getting the same VWAP line and same conditions again and again, so it should not give me the same repetitive call, it should give me a unique call. So I will give I will give here unique. Now the most important part is this webhook URL. Now this whole system what we have designed, it is for all the traders, those they want to learn how to do a automation by themselves, beat any software. So right now we are learning Chartink. In case if you would like to make any of the strategy and you want to do a automation of that strategy into your demat account directly, so that is this class for. So what we will do, we will give you this webhook URL, and right now I will paste this webhook URL in front of you. Now this is the webhook URL. I'll just copy it from here and paste it here. Easy. So you can see this is webhook URL. It is giving the API key and everything, and I will just make it save alert. Beautiful. Now what will happen, anytime we will get the call, it should reflect here in our dashboard. So we will wait. Okay, anytime now any scan comes, whether it is giving me any call. Now step number 2, what we have to do, if the call will come here, we have to connect this software of Algologic to my trading account, that means demat account. So I will go here, study to user, I'll go to a broker connect, I will enter my credentials, which I have already done. I'll enter my PIN. You will get TOTP on your mobile, that means it is highly secured. Nobody will ask you any of your detail, or details will come to you. You will authorize this robo. Actually this is a robot, you can say it is a AI robo, which can connect to your Zerodha account or Angel One account. So in case if you have an Angel One account, you can put your credentials here, and this nobody will ask you. TOTP will come to your mobile, so that means it is 100% safe. Once it is connected, you have to click this intraday, done. That means the connection already been done. Now we will just wait. Oh my god, see, you can see here that we have got 2 calls here, GAIL and HCL Tech. Now you can see that this has confirmed. Let me go back to this one and let's see GAIL has come, and there are 3 calls which has come, GAIL, HCL Technology, Vedanta. Now here we have got GAIL and HCL Tech. Why we have not got the third call? Because you can see Kotak Bank. Now we have got Kotak Bank also. Again, let me refresh it, run a scan, Kotak Bank, because every minute it will scan and it will keep on throwing you calls. But how many calls you want? So we have given some instructions to my dashboard that only those calls which can be filtered by my AI inside this Algologic AI, only those calls should be reflected here. So this will help us limiting our calls, number of calls. Now you can see that these calls has come on my Algologic dashboard. On that, let's see, because we have already done the broker connect, that means we have already connected my Algologic software to the Angel One account. Let's see whether this call has come or not. Before we go, I will just show you here plus sign. If I do plus sign, it will show yes, this has been successful and a call has been placed. If I put this one plus, yes, call has come and successfully it has placed. Now see, it is continuously coming the call. You can see continuously calls are coming. Now let's go and see if Angel One is getting the call or not. So that has to, I'll just put it back so that it will be easy to watch. Guys, you can see easily we are making some money here, right? So now you can say I will go to my Angel One and let's see the GAIL has come, HCL Tech has come or not. So now you can see here, see GAIL has come, HCL Tech has come, HCL Tech has come, Kotak Bank has come, Sun Pharma has come. Let me go back again. GAIL, HCL Tech, Kotak Bank, Sun. Now SBI Life has come. Let's see whether SBI has come or not. Let me refresh it. GAIL, HCL Tech, Kotak Bank, Sun Pharma. It should come. I'll refresh this. GAIL has come, HCL Tech has come, Kotak Bank has come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here in my this demat account, all these calls are getting rejected. Reason behind this is only for the study purpose what we are just teaching you. So in this demat account there is no money. So there is no money, that's the reason it is getting rejected. You can see the rejected reason why. Your order has been rejected due to insufficient fund. So because we have not kept any money, it is only for the purpose what we are trying to show you, that the call you have created from trading, from this Chartink, you have created your own scanner. These calls started coming with the help of your scanner what you have made. These scanners got the rule what we have given. After giving the rule or to this, or the protocol to this Chartink, it has started throwing those calls on this Algologic dashboard, and this Algologic dashboard is connected to your demat account with a very simple way, and these calls are coming here. So now you can see Gale, SCTEL, Kotak Bank, Sun Pharma, M&M. So M&M is the recent one, it has come. Certain calls which is coming from like this Adani and SBI is not reflecting here. There could be certain reason why it is not reflecting here. I will tell you that also. These calls SBI and Adani has come to Algologic software from the Chartink, but it has not gone into Angel One, because these few companies are getting restricted from the traders, from the broker side, because they have to keep there is something called a surveillance list. So because of the surveillance, these few companies which are under the highly surveillance thing, they cannot be directly or robotically placed in your demat account. That means the robos or algo cannot place this account directly in the trading account, because they brokers suspect that there are huge volume changes in this particular script, and sudden movement happens, volatility is more. So broker has restricted robots to place any order in the demat account. So I made that thing very clear to you. But other than that, you can see all the companies which are not in the surveillance list are directly and immediately placing the orders without any single delay. Because why no single delay? Because this software of Algologic is directly connected with the Chartink, and it is taking the very live data what the broker takes from the NSC. So there is no delay. Slightly slippage can happen, that depends upon how many people they are trading and what quantity you are trading in the demat account. Now let's come back to the Algologic dashboard again. Now you can see how beautifully it has done, that it is also showing you the time, that what time the call has come by. Now the script name, quantity. Now you can see generally what we do whenever we make the strategy, we decide, okay fine, I need to buy say for example Sun Pharma, I need to buy Sun Pharma. Now you will take some time to decide how many quantity you need to buy in equity. This Algologic dashboard, it does by itself, it does a calculation. Now how it does, I will come back and tell you how it does this one. Now next thing is like entry price, what price it has to make the entry. That means the exact correct time where the your candle has crossed over the VWAP line. That's what the condition we have made in the Chartink, right? Don't you remember that? So in case if you remember, we have made the same condition. Now it will give you the target and SL also. That means you don't have to sit and calculate what target I have to wait, what SL I have to wait. So it has taken approximately in an intraday thing 1%, or approximately near about the 1% the target will come, and lesser than the 1% that stop loss it will maintain. So you can say that all this selection of the stock, the quantity selection, the target and SL, it will be done by the Algologic software, so you don't have to worry about. Now let's come back, that how it has selected is 152 shares. If I want to choose more or I want to choose less, then why I should get restricted from this software side? तो इसका बहुत सिंपल आंसर ये है कि ये आपके 50,000 रुपये पर स्क्रिप्ट के कैलकुलेट करते हुए ये स्क्रिप्ट के नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज़ को उठाता है. आई रिपीट what it does, that it will think that you are having 50,000 rupees as your basic money. So for Sun Pharma, it will take 50,000 rupees and it will try to divide that 50,000 rupees with this entry price. So you will get some number of shares. Now by default, every broker, it gives you a leverage. That means limit. So it will give you a limit of 5 times. So it will multiply by 5 and it will give you this amount, which you can use successfully, or you are able to buy 152 units of Sun Pharma when you have 50,000 rupees in your demat account. So it is very simple that 50,000 rupees, okay fine, I can buy easily this one. Now the question comes, okay, I want to try and I want to trade with a lesser amount of money, not this one. So we have given the solution for you also here. You can go to my profile and you can reduce this quantity or increase the quantity depending upon the money you have in demat account. You say, you know, I don't want to trade with 50,000 rupees, I want to trade only with 25,000 rupees. You can make it 1/2. You say no, 25,000 is also too much, I would like to make it 1/4 of that, that means 12,500 rupees. You can click here. You say, no, I want to try this one, I want to make it more smaller, so I will put 1/8. Now let's see if any call comes, what will be my quantity. Let's come back here. So we will wait for further calls and we'll see whether any new further call, what kind of quantity it will give me. Now you can say, see here, see, in case if we take this VBL 482 quantity, means total how much amount it is taking, 2,50,000 rupees. That means you need to have 50,000 rupees for VBL for intraday, and it will give you a 2,50,000 rupees leverage. Now as we have already reduced to 1/8, that means now I don't want, my initial capital is only 6,250 rupees approximately. So let's see if any new further call comes. Now how much quantity I will try to, or the system will select for me, and what will be the current value of that. So now we will wait for any further calls. Meanwhile, let's go back to Angel One and see that how and when my calls are coming and getting rejected or not. Now you can see now we have got, wait, this is very fortunate and very nice that we have got 2 calls before we could move to Angel One. You can see Jindal Steel, it is 215 247 shares, and it has come with target SN, and it is taking 250 only, 2,50,000 rupees only. Okay, and here also L&T also is taking 2,50,000 only. That means our reduction is not working. Let me refresh it. Okay, so yeah, it was showing because I have to refresh it. It will go exactly the same price. This 31 and 9 only, it will go to the trading account, don't worry. So I just refresh the page, and now you can see that Jindal Steel, it has taken only 31 quantity, and you can see the current value, which is 31,441.7. that means your initial capital is only 6,000 approximate amount, 6,000 plus amount, right? So let's see whether the same amount 31 has come or not. Jindal Steel, let's go back. Jindal Steel, see 31 shares, LT 9 shares, ITC, before it was 1x selection, that means total 50,000 rupees, 616 shares. So you can see here that anytime, if case you want to reduce or increase the amount, you can always do. This system is made for you so that you can make any strategy and you can convert that strategy into a live robocalls. Don't you think it is so exciting thing? So in case if you want to learn some more things about this Algologic, or you want to learn more about how I can create and learn strategy building, you can always get back to us, and we will have the live classes with you, and where we will teach you how to develop and generate your own strategy, which can make the system for you, and those calls will go to your trading account. Now see, one more beautiful thing I want to tell you. What if you say that is very fine, that see almost many calls, the simple strategy you can see now, we along with you, that means you and me all together, we made this strategy in Chartink, right? And it is a very basic strategy, and those calls have started coming here. Now can you see the profit loss statement? 15 calls, approximately 2,243 profit. That means almost all the calls is giving you some profit. We can book early, we can go aram se that okay, one day task has been done, I made 1,000 rupees, I made 500 rupees. It is so easy to make, right? Now what if, like you say, sir, there are so many calls, it just keep on coming, and how I'll have a track on that? I don't want to trade that much. Very fine, this is very we can control. That means now when AI works for you, the most important thing is like how to make use of AI and how to solve our problem. So we have actually used the AI you can say it like this. You have used the AI in charting and you made your strategy. You have made the use of AI and this call started coming in your dashboard. You have made the use of AI and these calls are robotically going to your trading account. Now you say, okay, sir, I want to control it. So first control what we have done, we have limit our quantities, how many quantities I can do, increase or decrease. Now you say, okay, I don't want all these calls to go in my demat account directly. I need to have a control. I understand certain things. So what I'll do, I'll go to the broker connect here again, and I will put enable manual order placement. Moment I click this, now you see the beauty, and I'll come back to dashboard. Now you see, I'll just refresh it. Guys, are you seeing this button next to your right side, send to broker? Now this is a magical button, I should say. Now let's wait for another call, because this I have done now. So before it was all automated, now I have just reduced certain automation in my dashboard. Now any further call will come, it will ask me whether I should pass it or I should not pass it. So that will have the control in your hand. That means now this AI is in your hand, where you can control it, whether to send it to your broker or you want to wait for some time and then send it across, or don't send it anytime. So this means that now the AI lever is in your hand. Now see, you can see Punjab National Bank 291 quantity, 107 107 CMP, target and SL, everything is displayed here. Current value is 31,000 some change rupees. Now you can see this toggle button has come. Now let me take you back to the angel one first, that till LNT the call would have come, PNB has not gone. Let's see whether PNB has gone or not. See, LNT has gone, Jindal Steel has gone, PNB has not gone. Now you can see Jindal Steel has gone last and LNT has gone, PNB has not gone. That means I have stopped my robo, or I have given the control in your hand that I will pass the calls whenever I feel like. So now let's say it is right now 2 rupees 91 paisa. I'll pass this call now in front of you, or you have a control, you are passing the call. Order placed successfully. Now let's see whether it has gone or not. See, PNB, the call has come immediately when you passed it. Don't you think it is so wow? Now this whole system I can teach you, I can help you how to build up the very nice good strategies, so that we can automate the whole software for you, and you can always have something in your hand. You can say, yeah, I have control of my AI software, through which I can do a trading intraday and I can make some money, so this you can say that. Let's say again I'll just try to send this Bharti Airtel again back. Now see, Bharti Airtel have sent, and let's see whether it has come here or not. Bharti Airtel has come. See, so this is the beauty of this software, that you are not doing anything. This, you have made the strategy, you have studied, actually of course you have studied something about the strategy, you have used the AI, you have made the strategy, you have used the Algologic software, you are bringing those charting scripts, AI strategies into a live calls in the Algologic dashboard. You are having a control in the dashboard. Now you're sending those calls directly to the demat account. So it is the just very simple track where you can have your own system. You don't have to depend upon anybody, and these are all AI driven. So any kind of doubts or any kind of help you required, please get back to Algologic and we will definitely help you out. I think enough for a day, and I'll catch you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.